Japanese yen futures tumble on the opening. See, Bank of Japan sets the tone by keeping policy rates unchanged, holding JGB target rate the same as well, but also committing to unlimited bond purchases at the 25 basis point target, in effect trying to control the long end of the curve. What's notable from the meeting is 2022 CPI was raised to 1.9 from 1.1, and GDP for 2022 is lowered to 2.9 from 3.8. Additionally, we had some MOF data come out of Japan, week ending April 22nd. The investors there, net sellers of $9 billion of foreign bonds, and that totals a net of $59 billion sales over the past 13 weeks. In addition, in Japan, March industrial production disappointed ever so slightly, although March retail sales in the country did really well. We get into the bulk of our session, and the price action continued. On the U.S. side, we did see an advanced look in first quarter GDP, and is substantially lower than expected at negative 1.4 versus a positive 1% expected. Personal consumption definitely underperformed. Inflation price indicators, 0.8% higher than expected, although core PCE was actually 0.3 lower than expected. On the jobs front, initial claims actually matched expectations. Continuing claims were actually within reason. We also had Kansas City Fed and also a $44 billion 7-year auction, no worse than feared. That said, we're experiencing broad strength in the U.S. dollar against most crosses, not only the yen, and also seeing yields in the U.S., especially the front end, on the upswing. Looking at options, I look at CME Group CVOL, June options for yen, 1-month basis the 90th percentile, 3-month basis also in the 90th percentile. At the money, vols are up today. Skew is actually down, as the down variance or put wing is higher than the call wing, which is basically unchanged. Option volume very heavy in June, seeing action in the 77.5 call. On the put side, the 75.50 put, also the 77 put. And lastly, E-micro mini futures for the yen. Volume today is very strong. Yesterday we saw a volume of 550 with an open interest of 851.